Hi, welcome to my channel. It's me, your favorite coach, Akinson Yawolabitemi. I am super excited you choose to learn from this channel. In this tutorial, I will be exploring how to create the cosmetic product package design that we have on the screen using Coreldraw and Photoshop. Alright, so before we get started, I will urge you to make sure you give this video a thumbs up even before you start watching the video. And then also, if you are new to this channel, please do make sure you smash the subscribe button right now, and then ensure that your post notification bell is turned on so as for you not to miss any of the videos that I'll be dropping anytime soon. So having done this, let's quickly get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do now is to launch your Coreldraw, and thereafter these are the color codes that we'll be using in this tutorial. I'm sure you know how to use color codes because I have taught that in the previous videos. Okay, so now what I'll just do now is I'll just drag the color codes down to my document colors here so that I'll be able to have the clone of those colors. Okay, now then I will delete this. Awesome. Then what else? I need to double tap on my rectangle tool. That's to draw a rectangle around my workspace. Okay, then I'll right click on here to remove the outline. Okay, now then what else? So I will change the color to this pink. Okay, all right, then I'll click on my interactive fill. Okay, and then I'll drag it like this. Okay, so I'll change this to elliptical fountain fill. Okay, so then I will now I'll reduce it like this. Okay, so I'll reduce it, so I will now position it somewhere like this. Okay, somewhere like this. All right, so let me see if I can still reduce it more. This is too much. Yes. Yeah, I think I think it's okay like this. Alright, so what else do we do? So I need to quickly go copy the images that I'll be using in this tutorial. So I'll copy this. Okay, then I'll paste it. I'll press Ctrl V to paste. Alright, so I'll reduce this. Alright, so then I'll power click the image of the model. So I'll right click and then click on edit power clip. Then I'll increase the size like this and position it somewhere like this. Okay, let me reduce it more a bit. I think it's okay. Then I'll click on finish. Okay, now power clip these two. Alright, so I edit the power clip. I'll position this somewhere here. Okay, then I will reduce the size. Yes, alright. Then I will trim the image of the model a bit so that it will not be showing underneath the frame. Okay, I will click on finish. Awesome. Okay, and what else? So this, I'll position this somewhere here. So I'll reduce the size and position it somewhere here. Okay, then this, which is the logo, I'll position this somewhere here. Okay, then let me quickly go copy the text. Alright, so I'll click on my text tool. So I'll click it out and then press Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, then I'll click on and I'll press Ctrl key, okay, to break the text. Awesome. Okay, then I'll highlight this two and change the font to, so I'll change the font to Clarissa regular normal. Okay, awesome. Then I'll change the font for the other text to Galano semi bold. Okay, awesome. Now then I like the three of them, and then here we have angle rotation, so I like on it and then change the figure there to 90. Awesome. Okay, then this I'll increase the size of the of the text. Okay, now change the color to this blue. Okay, all right, then I'll increase the size a bit like this. So I light the two and then press E to make sure that they both centralize. Okay, awesome. And this I will bring this back a bit. All right, now to make the two a bit closer to each other. Awesome. Okay, then I'll group the two. Ctrl G to group. Okay, then this now I'll bring this close to the text. Okay, then I'll now highlight the three of them and then press E to make sure that they are both centralized. Okay, and what else? So this now going to reduce the size of this, which is the logo. Okay, then this I'll bring this down a bit. Awesome, beautiful. Okay, then I'll click on my drop shadow tool in order to apply a shadow to it. Okay, awesome. Okay, then we have the shadow color, so I'll click on it and I'll click on my color eye dropper tool here. Okay, and select this color. Awesome. Okay, let me close this. Beautiful. Then I can decide to increase the threshold, the opacity of the shadow. Okay, yeah, but I think it's okay like this. Okay, then what else do we do? Okay, so let's highlight everything. I'll press C to make sure that, let me group this first. I'll group this, Ctrl G to group. So I'll now highlight all of them and then press C to make sure that they are both centralized. Okay, then this I think I need to reduce the size of this a bit. Awesome. Then I'll click on finish. Okay, beautiful. So we are done with the first design. Okay, I'll group this, Ctrl G to group. Okay, and I'll just duplicate it like this. All right, then what else? Okay, what else? So I will group this. Okay, then I will edit the power clip and then I will delete this, and then I'll also delete the model's image. Also, then I'll click on finish. Then I'll right click on this and then I'll click on remove this frame type in order to remove this cross eye that is showing. Okay, then this now I will highlight the text like this. Okay, I'll group them and then where I have the angle rotation here, so I'll change it to 90. Okay, then I'll just mirror it horizontally and then vertically. Awesome. So I'll increase the size a bit and then position it at the center. Awesome. So I'll do the same thing to this too. So awesome, good. So let me bring this down a bit. Beautiful. So this will be out of it. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so I liked everything like this and then group them, Ctrl to group, and then I will make sure that they are both centralized in the workspace. Okay, so I think we are done with that too. So I'll just group it. Awesome. Then I'll take it outside like this. Beautiful. So now, let me duplicate this. Okay, so I'll press P to make sure that it's positioned at the center of my workspace. Okay, then this now I will ungroup it, and I will delete this. Awesome. Then I will now duplicate this. You know how to duplicate. Press your shift key and then make sure that your cursor is placed around this angle 90. Okay, then you reduce it. Okay, and then you use your right click towards to drop it. Awesome. Okay, so I'll change the color of this to white. Okay, awesome. What else do I do? So this, I'll reduce this to this edge a bit. Okay, then I will go copy the text. Okay, so we'll go to my notepad, so I'll copy this. Okay, then I'll click on my text tool. Okay, then I'll click it out and then paste it. Awesome. So where we have the angle rotation, I'll click on it and I change the figure to 90. Awesome. Then I'll go change the font. I'll change the font to this Galano semi bold. Okay, then I will increase the size and make sure that it's positioned at the center. So I'll press my shift key and then click on the workspace. Okay, and then press E. All right, make sure that it's centralized. Awesome. Then what else? So let me go copy the other text. So I'll copy this. All right, so then I'll click on my text tool. So I'll use the text tool to draw a kind of rectangle like this. Okay, I'll press Ctrl V to paste. All right, then what else? So I'll change the font size. Let's see, 24 should be okay. All right, then I'll click on where I have the alignment. So I'll click on full justify. Okay, then let me change the font. So I'll change the font to, let's see, this Galano alternative medium. Awesome. Okay, I think it's okay. Then what else? Okay, then I'll position this, shift page up in order to bring it up. Okay, then I'll position this. All right, I also position this. Okay, shift page up. Okay, awesome. Okay, then I'll click on my text tool. So I'll click it out and then type a text. So I'll type LDM Academy. All right, then I will go to where I have my fonts, the font list. Okay, then I will change the font to barcode. Okay, barcode. Awesome. Okay, now I'll take it in like this and then increase the size. Okay, so let's change the font size of this to 25. Okay, awesome. Now reduce this. I'll bring this down. I'll click on my shape tool. I will drag this down a bit. Awesome. Beautiful. Okay, I think we are done with this. I'll group them together and I'll show that they're centralized. Okay, so I select all this and then press C. Awesome. Okay, then I'll group them. Ctrl G to group. Okay, then what else? I think we are done with this also. Okay, so now let's go to our Photoshop. All right, so we go open a mockup, go to file. Okay, open. I'll make the mockup available. Okay, so you can also download whatever mockup that you want from Repic and other websites where you can download mockups. Okay, but the specific mockup that I'll be using in this tutorial, I'm going to make it available so that you'll be able to use it to practice. Okay, all right, so let me go open the mockup. Where are you? Alright, so this is the mockup. We have 3 of them here, so we'll start with the first one. So we click on first one and then we click on open. Okay, beautiful. Okay, and what else? So where we have the jar, okay, you can see jar. All right, so you're going to click on the smart thumbnail that we have there. Okay, you tap on it. Beautiful. Okay, then it will open a window like this. Then all right guys, so there's a need for us to get the actual size of which this design is being made, okay, so as for us to be able to also make our own design the same size. Okay, so for us to get the exact size, what we have to do is to click on file. So go to export and then we'll click on save for web. Okay, all right, so when you go down here you can see image size. All right, so you can see the width is 950, okay, while the height is what is 284. Okay, all right, so what we are going to do now is we go to Coreldraw. So 950 and 284, so we'll go to Coreldraw. All right, so we're going to click on our shape tool. So we'll draw a rectangle like this, on our rectangle tool rather. So we'll draw a rectangle, then we change let me change this to pixel. All right, we change the unit to what? Pixel. You can see unit. All right, you change it to what? Pixels. Okay, then you click on the rectangle back again and then you click on where we have the size here. So this will be the object size. So for the width it should be 950 if I'm not mistaken, then the height should be 284. all right, then you hit enter on your keyboard. Awesome, so let me go confirm again. 950 and 284. okay, then this now you're going to click on cancel. Okay, awesome, then we go back to Coreldraw. Beautiful. All right, so what else are we going to do? So we're going to ungroup this. Okay, so we try to use our right click, okay, to drag the background, okay, into the rectangle that I've just drawn, and then you release it and then you click on copy fill. Awesome, beautiful. So that's what we want to achieve. That means we want to clone the background that we have here to the new shape. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. Awesome, then what else? So then you click on our interactive fill. Okay, then we can now reposition it the way you probably want it if it is not okay enough for you. Awesome, I think it's okay like this. So what else do we do? So let me just increase the size like this. Okay, then we go copy the tests. Beautiful, so we're gonna reduce the size. All right, then you make sure that it is positioned at the center. Okay, then what else? So go copy the image of the model. All right, so we'll paste it. Beautiful, so we reduce the size and then we'll position it somewhere here. Okay, all right, so I will advise you power clip it. All right, so power clip it and then click on edit power clip and click on edit power clip. Okay, then you position the image somewhere here and then you increase the size. Beautiful. Okay, then we'll click on finish. Beautiful. So what else? Let me go copy the cream splash and this now I'll paste it. Okay, then I'll clip it into the workspace. Okay, and I'll right click and then click on edit power clip. All right, then this now I'll click on it and then click on my interactive field, transparency tool rather. So then I'll click on the uniform transparency. Okay, then I'll change this to, I think 60 should be okay. 60. Awesome. And I'll return my tool back to pick tool. Okay, so I'll reduce the size. Then I'll position it like this. Then I'll page it down. Press shift page down. Also, awesome. I think it's okay like this. Okay, and what else do we do? I think we are done. So the next thing to do now is to just group them. Ctrl G to group. Okay, then we'll now export them. So first export this. Okay, you highlight it and press Ctrl E. Okay, then so let me go select the folder. Alright, so now use cream. Okay, cream 1. Alright, to export it, so I'll make sure I'll change this save as type to JPEG. Okay, then I'll click on export. Alright, so I'll make sure that the color mode is on RGB. Okay, and then this resolution should be 500. Okay, you can make it 300 too, but I'll suggest to make it 500. Okay, awesome. Okay, then what else? Now this, I will highlight it and then press Ctrl E again. Okay, so I'll use cream 2 to save it. Cream 2. Alright, so I will highlight this and then press Ctrl E. Okay, now use cream 3 to save it. I'll click on export. Okay, so I'll scroll down and click on OK. Awesome. So what else? I think I will like this again and then press Ctrl E and use cream 4 to save it. Okay, make sure that you save as tabs on JPEG. Okay, and then your color mode is on RGB. Awesome. Then the resolution should be 500. Awesome. Okay, now let's go back to Photoshop. Okay, so now, so where we have the jar here, so we'll double tap on it. Okay, I'll click on File, Place Embedded. Okay, then we position this, select this, okay, which is cream 1. Awesome, then we hit enter. Okay, then we'll view this and press Ctrl X to save it, and then we'll go to the main mockup to see the magic. Alright, so you can see the magic now. Okay, then what else? So then the cap color, which is this the color for this cover. Okay, so we double tap on the smart thumbnail. Okay, then now, so we also double tap on this. Okay, here we have the cap thumbnail, the cap color thumbnail here. We'll tap on it. Okay, and it's open a window like this where you can change the color. Awesome. Then you go back to your Coreldraw to go copy the words, the color code for the pink. All right, so how do we get it? This is it. You can also get the color from the text also. Okay, then you just click on this, and then we click on okay, let me select this. Okay, then we just double tap on where we have the color here. Okay, then color viewers, then you copy it, the color code you can see, and just copy it, and then you go back to your Photoshop, and then you paste the color code. You can see, you click on OK, then you click on Control, then you press Control X to save. Okay, then you go back to the main mockup, so you can see the magic. Awesome. So now let's work on the carton or the container. Okay, so what do we do? So we'll start with the front, so we'll double tap on it. Okay, then we click on File, Place Embedded. Okay, so which should be the front? This cream 2 should be the front. Okay, then we'll click on Place. Awesome. Okay, then we click on, then we'll press Enter on our keyboard. Then you will view this. Okay, then you press Control X on your keyboard to save the effects. Okay, then you go back to the main mockup to see the magic. All right, then what else? So for the left, we'll double tap on it, the smart object thumbnail, so we'll double tap on it. Okay, then we'll click on File, Place Embedded. Okay, then we'll click on this cream 4. Okay, then we'll click on Place. Also, then you click on it, enter your keyboard. All right, then you unview this, and then you press Ctrl X on your keyboard to save it. Beautiful. Okay, then you go back to the main mockup, so you can see now we are left with the top. So you double tap on the smart thumbnail for the top. Okay, then you click on File, Place Embedded. Okay, and you go select the cream 3. Okay, this is it. Then click on Place. Also, then you hit Enter on your keyboard. Okay, then you will view the layer. Then you will view the layer 1. Okay, then you press Ctrl X on your keyboard to save. Then you go back to the main mockup to see the magic. All right, so what else? So next thing for us to do now is to save the mockup as an image. Okay, then you click on File, then you click on Save As. Okay, then you select the location where you want to save the mockup. All right, so I'll save it here. Then I'll use the master. Okay, the master mockup or the master product. Okay, then you click on the save as type, and then you use JPEG. Okay, this JPEG. Okay, then you, what else? So you click on save. Beautiful. Then you make sure that the quality is on the maximum, which is 12. Okay, then you click on OK. Beautiful. So now let's go check what we've done. Alright, so here is the design. You can see the master product. So we right click on it and I will click on open. Beautiful. So you can see the design, see how beautiful it is. So I'm sure you can also replicate this same product package just by replicating the same procedure that I used in this tutorial. Okay, so we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you have not liked this video, please do make sure you like this video right now. Okay, and then make sure that you click on the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, and ensure that your post notification bell is turned on so as for you not to miss any of the videos I'll be uploading anytime soon. Thanks so much for staying with me. I'll see you in the next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.